everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht Stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the pricey training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description, so grab it. Today you'll learn complaints, the learn method, exactly what to say, what to do, who to tell, and how to log it so problems turn into trust. Start with the mindset. A complaint is the chance to shine. Fast recovery can make satisfaction higher than if nothing went wrong. Guests want three things: to be heard, to be taken seriously, and to be updated. Your goals are simple: reduce stress now, fix the root cause, and close the loop. Use one reliable playbook every time. Learn. Learn. Listen, full attention, no interrupting. Empathize. I understand how that felt. Apologize. Own it on behalf of the yacht. Resolve. Offer clear options with real timings. Notify, tell the chiefs to and any affected department, then log and follow up. Here is your 10-second script. Say, thank you for telling me. I understand that's frustrating. I'm sorry. I can do X now and Y then. Which do you prefer? Hit the timing standards within 30 seconds. Acknowledge with LEA. Listen, empathize, apologize. By 2 minutes, first action underway or a temporary workaround in place. By 10 or 15 minutes, a status update or completion. By 30 to 60 minutes, a follow-up check, sooner if urgent. End of day, log the outcome, and any prevention notes. Escalate fast to right people. Service or housekeeping issues go to chef stew, and you start the fix. Food and beverage goes to the chef and chef stew. Maintenance, AV, AC, or toilets goes to the chef stew and engineering. Safety, medical, allergy, or crew conduct goes immediately to the chief stew and captain on the bridge. Never promise compensation. The chief stew decides. Keep radio language discreet. For example, chief stew pantry, gas feedback, cabin 2, AC warm, portable fan placed, and 21 degrees set. Request engineering over. Use this quick resolve menu for fast wins. For the temperature, set to preference. Provide a portable fan or blanket. Check vents and filters or offer an alternative space while engineering fixes it. For the noise, find the source, ship the schedule, offer an alternative space, earplugs, or a room switch with approval. Cleanliness pots. Reclean immediately, leave a short note, and schedule a follow-up check. Food not to taste. Replace at once, offer alternatives, and brief the chef discreetly. Slow tender or timing slip. Give an accurate ETA, offer a beverage or snack per stage gear, and confirm the revised time. AVIT, try a basic reset, offer a preloaded tablet or alternate venue, and call AVIT or engineering. Now, use ready-made scripts for common yacht complaints. Cabin too warm. Thank you for telling me. I'm sorry it's been uncomfortable. I can set 21 degrees now and bring a fan within 2 minutes, or move you to Sky Lounge while engineering adjusts the systems. About 10-15 minutes. What's best for you? Noise from crew area. I understand that disturbed your rest. I'm sorry. I'll have the team reduce noise immediately, and I can place white noise or earplugs if helpful. I'll check back in 10 minutes. Food not as expected. Thank you for letting me know. I'm sorry this wasn't to your taste. I can replace it right away. Would you prefer the grilled fish or the pasta? I'll update to the chef now. Dirty Marken bathroom. I say it. Thank you. Sorry, may I polish that now? It will take 2 minutes. I'll also check all chrome so it doesn't recur. Tender running late. I'm sorry for the delay. The tender will be ready in 12 minutes. I can bring chilled towels and drinks here or move pickup to the beach club at 1:15. What do you prefer? I'll keep you updated. Allergy or cross contact concerned? It's urgent. Thank you for telling me. I'm sorry for the worry. I'll replace this immediately and confirm with the chat that all items are not free with no cross contact. I'll return in 2 minutes with the alternative. Broken item discovered. I'm very sorry. I've noted the damage and removed the piece for safety. The Choose to will update you on repair or replacement options. May I set a temporary alternative now? Match your body language and voice to your words. Keep posture open and balanced with hands visible. Use a low, calm, and hard tone. Avoid rapid justifications. Drop phrases like, but the rules. It's not my fault. Or we're short staffed. Replace them with, here's what I can do right now, and I'll coordinate the team and update you by the time. Follow a simple decision tree. If anyone is unsafe or health is at risk, stop and call the chastity or bridge. Follow emergency rules. If you can fix it now, do it. Tell the chief and log it. If it needs another department, put a temporary workaround in place. Call the department through the chief. Give a time window and update the guest. If it's a repeat issue, escalate priority and suggest a prevention step like rescheduling a noisy task. Make it traceable with clean logging and follow up. Use this format: time, guest and cabin, issue, action, ETA update, follow up, prevent. For example, 14:05 VIP cabin 2, AC warm 24 degrees, set 21, place van, Eng ticket A117 and on site. Eng ticket A117 and on site 4020. Guest at Sky Lounge 14:35, temperature 21, guest comfortable, cleaned return filter, added check to PM list. So always log what happened, what you did, who you notified, the times, and any prevention step. Use service recovery add-ons only with approval. A short handwritten note, a small amenity like fruit or flowers, a preferred location change, or a future plan such as will service the cabin daily at 10:30 to keep temperature steady. Never promise discounts or compensation. That's for the chastity or captain. Avoid the common mistakes. Don't argue or over-explain. Acknowledge, offer options with timings, then act. Don't use vague timing like soon. Give specific minutes and meet them. Don't fix without telling. Always update and close the loop. Don't have public conversations. Step aside and keep radio volume low. Don't forget to log. Tie logging to your exit from the scene. Practice in short drills. Do LEAR and sprints. Your partner throws 5 complaints. You reply using learn in under 15 seconds each. Do a timing drill for AC. Deploy a fan in under 2 minutes. Call engineering in under 1 minute and update at 10 minutes. Build log mastery. Write 3 clean entries, service, maintenance, allergy in 3 minutes total. Do no promise practice. Handle a compensation request and offer service alternatives without committing. And now it's quick micro quiz time. Answer out loud. What do the letters in the LEARN stand for? Give a 10-second response to "This room is too hot." When should you involve the chef immediately? What must every complaint entry include in the log? What should you never promise? Learn every time. Listen, empathize, apologize, resolve, notify. Act fast, give real options with real times, update and log. That's how you turn problems into proof that your guests are in expert hands. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's Learn checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. See you on the next lesson. Bye!